Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef tallow from fat. Start by trimming meat and cutting fat into small, uniform pieces to promote even rendering. Use a heavy pot or slow cooker on low heat and maintain gentle simmering, stirring occasionally. Skim foam and remove brown bits as they form to keep tallow clear. When liquid looks translucent, strain through cheesecloth and cool until solid. Choose a method that fits your schedule and kitchen. Oven rendering gives hands-off control at 250 degrees F, and stovetop lets you watch progress more closely. A slow cooker is ideal for busy days and prevents splattering. Always start with small, uniform pieces to speed rendering and prevent burning. Keep heat low and steady, and collect melted fat in a clean container for straining and cooling into tallow. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation. I've been reading The Simple Path to Wealth, and it offers clear, practical money advice that pairs well with home skills like tallow making. If you want to support the channel, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for that. Now let's get back to the video. Once the fat is fully rendered and translucent, filter carefully through layered cheesecloth to remove sediment and impurities. Pour the hot, filtered fat into sterilized jars and allow it to cool undisturbed to form a creamy, white solid. Label jars with date and store in the fridge for months or in the freezer for longer preservation. Use tallow for cooking, soap, or skin balm depending on quality and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.